Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. This Diwali, light up your store with special offer for your customers. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up a festive discount in Shopify. Before going to this video, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For this, I have used Next Discount app, which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. Just check it out from there and follow along. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. And choose the discount code as the discount type and add a discount code of Diwali 30 and add a percentage of 30 and a capping amount of 300. And we can set the discount can be applied for all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. For now, I am adding this for all the products. Now we can also set the requirements like minimum purchase requirement, or we can also set this as we can no minimum purchase requirement like that. So I'm for now adding no minimum purchase requirement. And we can also set up some customer eligibility, like it can be all customers or a customer has a tag only on first order like that. So for I'm choosing for all the customers so that the discount code will be available for all the customers. Now I can also limit the number of time this discount can be used in total. Like if I'm adding here 100, then first 100 users will be eligible for the discount to be availed. And I can also limit to one use per customer, which means that like I only one customer can be use this code for only one time. And I can also set some start date or an end date, like through which the code is activated or not. We can set up some this discount as should be active on only Diwali days or a Diwali week or 10 days, something like that. So those setup can be done with the active date section. And I can also combine this discount with the existing discounts like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. After adding all the details, I'm saving the changes. Now I'm checking whether my discount code is got activated from the discount section. You can see that Diwali 30 is got activated. Now we can just check whether this is working fine in our online store. I'm adding the product to the cart. I'm applying my discount code Diwali 30 here. Now you can see that 300 our capping amount is got deducted from the MRP. So that's how you create a Diwali discount campaign in Shopify. Grab the app link from the description and try this out on your store. Let your customers enjoy the festive savings. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.